Hey guys, it's Melanie. Happy Monday. I hope your week is off to a good start. I am coming at you today fresh out of the shower. I still have soaking wet hair right now, and I am doing a video that some of you actually requested. So several of you asked that I actually show you on my face how to use the Vanity Planet Essia. I did do a review of this product like a month and a half ago. It was a little while ago. If you missed that, I will link that video down below. This is one of those ultrasonic spatulas. This one here is the Vanity Planet Essia. There are other companies that make these types of ultrasonic spatulas. This one, I can tell you just from my own experience, having used it, is very effective. The product works very well. I have only had to charge it once, and it's still going from the original charge. So I anticipate probably within the next 1 to 2 uses that I'm going to have to recharge it. But so far, this thing is kind of rocking my world. It has definitely been one of my most effective tools. I use it once a week. I think using it once a week is probably plenty, especially for the exfoliation mode that is on here. This device actually does 3 different things. So the first is exfoliate, the second is moisturize, and the third is lift. So those are your 3 options here. The exfoliation mode is used with the device on this more like, I don't want to call this like the scraping side over here, but this part is used for exfoliating. When you are using the moisturizing and lift mode, you are going to flip it over and you're going to use this flat side to infuse the products into the skin. A couple things, when you are using the exfoliate mode, you do want to make sure that your face remains wet. You can do that with water. You can spritz water on your face. You can use, I'm sure a lot of us have facial mists laying around that we don't necessarily always use or kind of forget about. So this is a good use for those facial mists that have really good ingredients. You want to make sure that you pick a good one because whatever you are going to use will be infused into your skin essentially. So again, this device uses ultrasonic oscillations to either exfoliate the skin or infuse products into the skin. So make sure you're using good products that you know work for your skin. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. Here's the thing though, this is actually going to be my 3rd time trying to record this video. For whatever reason, this device, not loud in real life at all, but for some reason my camera picks up the ultrasonic vibrations and just amplifies them into the microphone. It's really loud. So I'm not going to be actually able to like have the device running. I'll turn it on just so you can see how loud it actually is. But I'm just going to show you how to use this without having the device on for most of the treatment. I'm going to do one area of my face because quite frankly, this will now be the 3rd day in a row that I'm going to be using this on my skin. And especially the exfoliation mode, I think it's just gonna be too much. I typically only use this once a week. It is something that I do every Sunday. Typically I do it in the evening. Today I'm going to be showing you with my morning skincare routine. I'm keeping my skincare routine pretty simple this morning. So not a ton of products. Some mornings are like that, like today. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. I'm gonna move my wet hair away from my face. So I brought in a little alligator clip. So let's put this back. There we go. It's a lot of my face. Sorry guys. Okay, so we are going to be starting with the exfoliate, and I'm going to show you how to do that just in one little section on my forehead, and then I'm going to turn the device off because it's really loud. So another thing you want to make sure is that you have a clean towel in front of you that you can wipe the dirt, oil, gross things that could potentially come out of your skin when you're using the exfoliation mode. Since I've done this treatment 2 times in a row, I don't think I'm going to get anything out of the pass on my forehead here. But when you do use this device, the like oil and stuff that comes out of your pores, it's going to end up on the spatula, so you'll want to wipe that away. Again, it's the ultrasonic oscillations that are actually going to push that oil, sebaceous filaments, possibly blackheads out of the pores, and then you'll just wipe them away. After you're done with this, my preferred way of sanitizing this device is just taking some alcohol on a cotton pad and just wiping this clean, which is good enough to get it sanitary again. So, all right, I'm going to use the Murad Hydration Prebiotic 3-in-1 Multi-Mist, which I love. There's actually a kit that I will go ahead and link down below. It's from the Murad website. It has a full size of the prebiotic cleanser as well as a full size of the Murad Hydration Mist for just the cost of the cleanser. You guys saw the cleanser in, I think it was this last Friday's Friday Favorites and Flops. It's a really great cleanser, and this is a really great mist. If you've never looked into prebiotics or probiotics for the skin, you should do that because they really have a lot of benefits in terms of balancing your skin's microbiome. Definitely look into that. But anyway, this is a great product. So I will link everything down below, but for this, I will actually link that kit because I think it's really worth getting both, especially if you're in the market for a new cleanser anyway. So I'm just gonna shake this up a little bit, and this has a really nice mister on it. So I'm just gonna mist my whole face, but I'm gonna kind of concentrate on the area of my forehead here. By the way, I don't have anything else on my skin right now, so I'm gonna turn this on. I'm gonna warn you, this is loud. I won't leave it on for very long. The exfoliation mode. I'm just gonna show you on this middle part. Okay, I'm turning it off because I know how loud this actually is. So what you saw me do there was just 2 passes. You can see there's just a little bit of redness, not much. The thing that you want to know is that you don't have to press hard with this. If you are leaving welts on your skin, you are putting too much pressure on your skin. Gently glide and go nice and slow and just allow the device to do the work. You don't need to scrape this across your skin. Another piece of advice is to always go in an upward motion. I find that that works best. When I'm doing like this side of my face, I will typically hold my skin taut and then gently run again in an upward motion. And here, let me wipe off that little bit of excess. So you're just going to gently glide this across the skin. When you're doing your nose, it is important to hold the skin taut and just come in from the side, glide up. You don't need multiple passes, just 1, maybe 2 is fine. Don't go over the same area over and over again. It's not necessary. When you're doing the bridge of your nose, definitely hold it taut and then gently glide up. When you're doing your chin, it helps to kind of hold your lips, if you will, and gently glide up. You could also use this on your neck. I don't need this type of exfoliation on my neck, but you certainly could. Again, you're going to want to like hold everything taut and slowly move up. So that is the exfoliation mode. That is how you use it on your face. I'm going to now get out my toner. Typically for the moisturize mode, you want to use a serum or a moisturizer. I don't really need that this morning. I'm going to get enough moisture from my SPF, which is actually a moisturizer and SPF in one. You guys know this one, it's my holy grail. But this toner will provide enough moisture for me outside of that actual moisturizer. So when you're ready for the moisturize mode, put your moisturizer on, or your essence, or whatever it is that you're using. Be very gentle with your skin. Really pressing is the best thing. I'm rushing it a little bit right now, but so I have a nice layer of that all over my skin. And now I'm just gonna turn on the moisturize mode for 1 second to show you guys that. It's gonna get loud again, sorry. You're gonna flip it over. That stops the noise on the flat side. All right, sorry, had to turn it off. So you're using this flat side here to infuse the toner or moisturizer into your skin. So again, you're going to gently just glide that up. Slow, small, slightly overlapping strokes is plenty. On the rest of your face, again, hold your skin taut and just glide up and just do that until you do your whole face. When you are ready for the lift mode, you can certainly use the moisturizer or toner or essence again. Today, I'm gonna put on my Beloved, and you can certainly use this for the lift mode as well. This is the Paula's Choice 20% Niacinamide treatment. You guys know that I love this product. Bought a backup of it already because I don't want to be without it. I initially concentrated on all the areas where I have enlarged pores, which, as you can see for my face, is essentially the whole face. I think the only area where I don't have enlarged pores is like right here, but I even have them on my temples. The joy of oily skin, right? Again, be very gentle, pat. And now I'm just gonna turn it on the lift mode. This makes a clicking noise. I don't think this is quite as loud on camera, but I'll only do 1 pass and turn it off again. It's the clicking. So again, hold it upside down for your forehead. You obviously want to do your entire face. Once again, move very slowly in upward, slightly overlapping strokes. That's plenty. But yeah, that's how you use this device. There are also really great instruction videos on the Vanity Planet website. I will put my link for this product down below if you're interested in picking it up. I can tell you that after having used it for a while, it really has become a part of my weekly skincare routine. It really does a fantastic job of removing excess oil from the skin. It does an amazing job of infusing your products deeper into your skin. I don't know that I've noticed a ton of like lifting necessarily, but I gotta be honest, sometimes with lifting stuff, it's hard because I don't find my face sagging yet. I think I'm very lucky. I have a very full face, and so, you know, my fat face, I don't know what to call it. I'm not trying to be like derogatory towards myself, but I've got enough that kind of is keeping my facial structure where it is supposed to be right now. I'm hoping that the lifting is helping to maintain the overall look of my skin. If I can just do that and slow the sagging process, that's good enough for me. So, but definitely the moisturize mode is fantastic. It does infuse that moisturizer much deeper into your skin than if you're just like slathering it on. Overall, the device gets 2 thumbs up for me. If this one ever futzes out, I will certainly repurchase another because I'm loving it as a part of a weekly routine. So there you guys go. I hope this was helpful. Leave me any questions down below in the comments. I'll put links for the products that I showed here in the description box, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Take care.